go all out to ensure that you can afford the luxury of enjoying healthy beverages. In today's edition of the Joy Business Health and Wellness series, I get to hang out with the staff of Blue Skies Company. We'll find out how well they know their health, and we'll also speak to the management on the health and wellness measures they've put in place to secure the well-being of their staff. It is widely known that being in work is good for people's health and well-being, but it's increasingly being recognized that a healthy workforce is beneficial to employers too. Alistair Jimate is the Corporate Affairs Manager of the Blue Skies Company, and he emphasized that by creating a safe and healthy environment for employees, work-life balance and productivity can be attained to positively impact the business.
I think as a business, that's our major focus. We are a human-centered organization, actually. Apart from making profit, we don't believe that we need to make profit at all costs. We don't believe that we need to make profit at all costs. I think one of the things that as a people, it has eluded us in this country is that maybe we need to have a national discussion on that. Our position on the wellness and the health of the people, I think in Ghana, human life is not... If you travel outside, even the way people are concerned about their dogs and their cats and their birds and their chicken, if you come to Ghana, our national policies don't support it. They are not carved in a way to ensure that people have a very good life. For us as a business, we think the most important aspect of this business is the human resource that we have. And if we can protect it and if we can ensure that people have very good health, then productivity will be something we'll be considering. So, yeah, profit is good, but our concern is to make sure that the people that will bring you the productivity, they live in a very good health. So we need to support our staff. We need to be concerned about the health care of the people, the wellness of the people, and ensure, thanks to GIZ, we have gone through a process of having an employee well-being program, which ensures that it cuts across from your financial well-being, your health, everything is protected so that people would comfortably work, and then that will reduce the productivity that we expect from them, and that's where we will say that we have made a very positive profit, that it should be to the benefit of the people.
To further motivate the staff of Blue Skies Company to keep healthy, the company put certain measures in place. HR Manager for Blue Skies, Emily Adubuatin, gave us the details.
Currently, we employ about 3,500. Percentage-wise, we have 61% being women and 49% being men. And with ensuring the health care of our staff, we have a health post on site where we have a visiting doctor who comes to site twice a week. We have trained nurses, qualified nurses, who also takes care of their first aid cases. Cases beyond them are referred to the government hospital where we have a company doctor there who attends to them. Some of the departments that they work, dispatch, they do a little bit of lifting. As a result, we have a physiotherapist who also comes to site twice a week to ensure that those who have aches and pains are also attended to. In terms of their medical bills, whenever we refer them and they come with their medical bills, we pay as well. We go further by ensuring that they join the Keep Fit clubs that we have, where we have trainers that the company has trained, that they do Keep Fit every Thursday to ensure that they are very fit to work for us. With the medical bills, as I said earlier, we pay whenever they bring them to us. So we ensure that they are healthy at all times. At the canteen too, we provide them with food, and the company cook the food, and the company cooks the food by themselves, where we have a manager who is in charge of that, ensuring that they take healthy diet as well. So we do all this to support their health.
Nurse on duty at the Blue Skies Company Health Post, Sandra Kofi, explained how having a clinic on site curbs absenteeism.
Here in Blue Skies, we have found that it has been very beneficial because in a way, it reduces absenteeism. A lot of people will say, I went to the government hospital, and you know, with our healthcare system now, you spend hours at the hospital before you even see a doctor, yes. But once they come in here, they are offered prompt services, and the care is good. They are given free medication. You don't have to buy. Even if you buy, if it is prescribed from the clinic, the company pays for it. Yes, so a lot of them prefer to even come here than go out. To other hospitals. So I would encourage other companies, if they can, to have a clinic on site. Yes, there's that aspect that some staff can abuse it, but when you put measures in place, you can streamline the usage of the clinic by the staff. Yes.
Before any employee of the Blue Skies company settles for their shift duties, they have a ritual they perform. They have to take a bath, change into scrubs before making any contact with the fresh foods. Indeed, they are a health-conscious company. It was a busy and rainy day for the workers, but that didn't prevent us from testing their knowledge in health.
So when we say good health and well-being, how do you interpret good health and well-being?
Good health and well-being is the way you take care of yourself, the way you eat, the way you exercise, and the way you do your things.
So how many minutes should one exercise in a day?
At least 30 minutes a day.
Okay, and how many cups of water or how many glasses of water must one drink in a day?
8 glasses, I think so.
Good health and well-being. Well, actually, I will explain it like how you live good life so that you will be healthy.
Vitamins, minerals, fiber and fat. Which one of these are not considered nutrients?
Fiber.
Which part of the human body facilitates breathing?
Which part of it?
The human body facilitates breathing.
Stomach.
Name 2 fruits which fall under citrus fruits.
Citrus fruit. Pineapple.
And what else?
Orange.
What measure can you put in place in your homes or surroundings to prevent malaria?
Keep the environment clean.
STD is an acronym. When we say STD, what does it mean?
Sexually transmitted disease.
What is cholera?
Cholera. By running, you run. If you don't keep your environment clean, if you don't drink clean water, you get cholera.
Okay, and what are some of the ways we can prevent cholera?
By keeping your environment clean, by drinking good water, by eating good food.
Name the 6 killer diseases.
6 killer diseases. Housefly and hots, mouse and what again? 6 killer diseases: housefly, mouse, and hots.
Such interesting answers. This is where we draw the curtain on today's edition of the Joy Business Health and Wellness series. Reporting from the Blue Skies company in Dobro in Sawam for Joy Business, I'm Sarah Josu.